Aqua boy. Success music. The first time you gave me that answer, that you're gonna be my lover, you should have seen my face. You should have seen my face. The first time you said that you love me, that you're gonna be there for me, you should have seen my face. You should have seen my face. Forget about them. Nobody could feel love you like I do. Ooh, ooh, I do. Ooh, ooh. Forget about them. Nobody could feel love you like I do. Ooh, ooh, I do. Ooh, yeah. If it's loving that you want, you can make me your man. If it's loving that you need, baby, come and share my world. If it's loving that you want, you can make me your man. If it's loving that you need, baby, come and share my world. So me don't share, Obasima, so me don't share. And my hobby more, but more. Me just said, me don't sit here. So me don't share, Obasima, so me don't share. And my hobby more, but more. Me just said, me don't sit here, honey, you. And tear the baby, I can't be out. Now, why I'm me do, baby? I'm me do, baby. Forget about them. Nobody could feel love you like I do. Ooh, ooh, I do. Ooh, ooh. Forget about them. Nobody could feel love you like I do. Ooh, ooh, I do. Ooh, yeah. If it's loving that you want, you can make me your man. If it's loving that you need, baby, come and share my world.
Train. Say me jaw mo akode kama say. Say me see me fado ete wo saying. Hwe me don na mu odu said that saying for makoma to nche me de me mu ade nyina na me de bedo. De me wiase nyina na me de be show. Ye me wo wiase nyina na me de be chow. Nti wo fom me de bi odo me de be chow. Enka wa hu makoma mu a. Se ne wo siti mu na wodi wo hema no a. Me date mani na se wote ma homa no a. Mani si bi agye no se wo hwe mani wa mu a. Odo ma makoma no a. So makoma hwe me ne me hamso. Meshia man so wodi e wodan so. Beye mabusua beye madamfo. Enye duon do benya ye tamfo. But
forget about them. Nobody could feel love you like I do. Ooh, ooh, I do. Ooh, ooh. Forget about them. Nobody could feel love you like I do. Ooh, ooh, I do. Ooh, yeah. If it's loving that you want, you can make me your man. If it's loving that you need, baby, come and share my world. So me don't share, Obasima, so me don't share. And my hobby more, but more. Me just said, me don't sit here. So me don't share, Obasima, so me don't share. And my hobby more, but more. Me just said, me don't sit here. Honey, you, and tear the baby, I can't be out. Now I know me do, baby. Now me do, baby. Honey, you, and tear the baby, I can't be out. Now I know me do, baby. Now me do, baby.
What's good, you guys? It's your girl Tracy, and today I am back with another hair review video. As you can see by the title, in this video I'm going to be reviewing Lemoda hair. I actually got this hair off of Aliexpress, but I know that they do sell it on Amazon. But before we get into the video, I do want to say, if you guys are not subscribed to my couples channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And let's get right into the video. So the hair company is Lemoda Hair. Just to tell you a little bit about the company. This is an already made wig, 100% already made. This is how the wig was sent to me. The texture that I got was water wave. The inches that I got was 24 inches. I got Malaysian Remy hair. The density of this hair was 150. This hair was already pre-plucked. It has combs as well as a band for your wig to be tighter. This hair can be dyed. It can also be permed or relaxed. This hair also came with a 15-day no reason return policy, so I thought that was really cool. This hair was shipped 3 to 5 days when I ordered off of Aliexpress, but 2 days if you have Amazon Prime and you order off of Amazon. Amazon. The hair color was medium brown and the cap size was average cap size, so medium. So that was a little background on the hair. What I did do to this hair was plucked it a little bit just to add some baby hairs, but this is pretty much how it came. I didn't really have to pre-pluck it that much. I did also add some highlights and a little bit of color to it, so I just made it a little bit more lighter than it came. So it came natural brown, but I did make it just a slight, like one shade lighter. I also add these highlight streaks in the front because you know that's my signature move right now. So that was a little bit of background on this hair. So to tell you guys about my experience. So I've had this hair for about, I'll say 3 weeks now. So I haven't had it for a very long time, but it's long enough to see, you know, where this hair is headed. It's a good amount of time for me to come to you and say if I think this hair is going to be good or going to be bad. But I haven't had this hair for a long time, so I am going to keep wearing this hair. So I just want to tell you guys my experience so far about with the shedding, with the smell, with tangling. I'm just going to tell you guys the tea. The pros with this hair is I love the texture. This hair is extremely soft. I really love this hair. It's so soft. It has a very nice wave pattern to it. So as you guys can see, I love the wave pattern. It has a very nice wave pattern to it. It's very soft, very silky. It's not stiff. That's what I mean by silky. Like, you know, your hair moves, especially in the wind, you feel me? One thing I really like about the lace is that it just melts into your scalp. It literally melts into your scalp. I don't know if I can focus and show you guys. Like, the lace literally looks like my skin. I love that so much. It melts into your skin so perfectly. The lace is extremely thin. And another huge plus that I had about this hair is the lace front, it came tinted. Now that doesn't seem like a big deal, but it is, because usually when I get my frontals, it has like almost like, I want to say a bluish tint to it, or like a gray, like it's not really a skin color, you know. It has like a blue or green tint to it, almost like an ash, almost like an ash. Like a dark ash or a lighter ash, you know. So I always have to go back in and tint it. And if I don't tint it, you can see like a line of demarcation where my skin is and the lace. So you always gotta go back in and tint it. But with this hair, it came already tinted, so I was just able to skip a step, you know, save time, and time is money. So I was able to save, you know, a few minutes from not tinting it. I still have some more pros. Another pro that I have about this hair is that it lightens beautifully. I love the way the color came out. Even though I did lighten this hair is not shedding still. Even though it's a very, like, you know, it's very subtle, it's still not shedding, and it's not dry. The parts that I lighten is not dry at all. It's not tangling. This hair hasn't tangled on me not once. Okay? Not once. The back of the nape is perfectly fine, and this is one of the few hairs that I get. All of my wigs that I've had, every single one of them have tangled up at the nape at some point, and this hasn't done that yet, and it's been 3 weeks going on 4 weeks. So yeah, I think that is bomb AF. Another thing I do want to say about this hair, I'm going to answer the picture right here, is that when I was rinsing out this wig, co-washing this wig, the water did not change color. The water was still clear. So to me, that means it didn't add any extra dye. So I really like that it hasn't been processed too much. So to me, that means that this hair hasn't been lightened, hasn't been processed, so like with color or chemicals or whatever, that much. So I really like that. I love the natural color it came in. It wasn't too dark and wasn't too light. Usually I do like my hair on the color 3, color 4 side. So I know that's a lot of pros so far, but I really do like this hair, and this is hair that I will purchase again. I feel like the longevity of this hair will be, I think this hair could last 8 months. 8 months with regular care, and like even longer, like up to a year if you really take care of this hair. I don't take this hair off when I go to sleep, and I barely wrap it, and it still doesn't tangle, and it still doesn't shed, and it still doesn't mat up. So I think that is amazing, and that's great, especially doing that for almost 4 weeks now. I think that's really dope, and I feel like this is very good quality hair, especially for the price. This hair is really inexpensive. Like I said, I know it's a lot of pros. But they give you good parting space. So my frontal goes all the way back here. This is the middle part, and that's the side part. So to give you a pretty decent amount of parting space. This hair is very long. I did get 24 inches. So to me, that goes So it goes all the way to around my waistline, lower back. Even while it's curly, they still give you a lot of length. I do really like this hair, you guys, and I will definitely be ordering from this hair company again, which is very rare for me to order the same hair twice. And I think that's something I'm gonna do because I really do like this hair. It's very good quality hair. I really love it. The ends are full. The ends aren't dried out. The ends are hydrated. I honestly don't really have a con. I would say if I had to say a con, it will be, so I would say this hair doesn't get as big as I want it to when it's dry, but I can't even complain. I really don't have a con. But if I had to say a con, if I had to say something bad about this hair, I think that would be it. That it doesn't get as big as I want it to. This hair is 150% density, so, but you get what you pay for. I paid for 150% density, so I got 150% density. So far, I don't really have anything bad about this hair. I'm gonna keep wearing this hair just to see. I'm sure it will tangle at some point, but to me, it's not going to happen for a very long time. So I feel like this is really good quality hair, even though the price is very affordable. This hair does not shed. It came pre-plucked. All I did with the baby hairs, literally. I did bleach the knots. I don't think I mentioned that. It took the lightener very easily. I love the texture to this hair. They give you extra length. The hair is full, and I don't really have any cons for this hair. Like I said, the only thing I would say is I wish this hair did grow a little bit bigger. I can't complain because this looks very natural. I do get a lot of compliments. The lace melts into your skin because the lace is so thin, which is amazing because usually affordable frontals have thicker lace, and the more expensive frontals have thinner laces, so it can melt into your skin, and they give you that with an affordable price. So that's pretty much it for this video. I don't really have anything else to say other than I really love this hair, and this hair is fantastic. Yeah, so I do really love this hair. Please let me know that in the description box what you guys think about this hair, other hair companies you want me to review. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment, subscribe to my couples channel. I'll have this hair that I have on my head. I'll put that in the description box, as well as the bundles if you would like to make your own wigs or do a sew-in, and a frontal and a closure, and different hair textures they have. They have straight, water wave, you know, they have the whole thing. So with that being said, check the description box below for all the information about this hair and this company, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Nobody could feel love you like I do. Ooh, ooh, I do. Ooh, yeah. If it's loving that you want, you can make me your man. If it's loving that you need, baby, come and share my world. If it's loving that you want, you can make me your man. If it's loving that you need, baby, come and share my world.